What's up, camaraderie? Welcome to Gina and Luwin Ask, where she, Luwin, and Gina ask questions. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's start.
Who is Gina?
So Gina is from Pugon, Malay, Aklan, youngest daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Solano. She loves to take picture of herself together with the sunset. Certified island girl with a good heart. So I say A if you agree.
Who is Luwin May?
Who is Luwin May? She is from Union, Nabas, Aklan, the eldest daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Thompson. She loves everything related to art such as drawing and dancing. She is strong and somewhat independent. Just A if you agree, I. Fact or bluff? Bluff! I know, I can feel it. Okay. Bluff. Eco-friendly po ako. Mga grocery bags, best. Plastic lang yan. Yeah. Sorry! Dali. Bluff. Wow! 2 points ako, bet. Okay, talaga. Pangit ka magluto. Bluff. Oh my God! Fact. Yes, best. Oh my God! Bluff. That is for the next episode. Bye! May isa pa! Thank you, babe. Back. How many? 3. And below ka that.
Describe your friend in 3 emojis.
Ocean, sunglasses, quiet motorcycle, flowers, right. That's all. Thank you. Fact or bluff? Action number 1. Hello. Meron na akong first kiss sa wakas. Fact or a bluff? Fact. Bluff? Wala ka akong first kiss? Sabi ko, meron na akong kamalay fact.
Oo pala.
Ay, meron ko ba yun? Ay, gamit ito. Kailangan ito.
Kailangan ako nag-check.
Ulit.